Example 1. Solve 4/5 x, which is equal to -8. Well, multiply by the reciprocal 5/4, both sides. This becomes 1 times x. This becomes -2 times 5, or -10. And then, how about solving 2 times y plus 6, which is 5 times y minus 12? Well, distribute. You get 2y plus 12, which is 5y minus 60. Subtract 12 from both sides, you're left with 2y, which is -72 plus 5y. Subtract 5y from both sides, that leaves you with 2y. Or subtract 12 first, and then, subtract 5y from both sides, that leaves you with -3y, which is -72. Divide both sides by -3, okay? -3 in order to be left with +1 times y. You get y, which is 24. And then solve 3 times x minus 0.8 plus 2.5x, which is 2.7 plus 5x. Again, distribute. You get 3x minus 2.4 plus 2.5x, which is 2.7 plus 5x. Combine like terms, you get 5.5x. Subtract 5x from both sides, the x's disappear from the right. You're left with 0.5x minus 2.4. Add 2.4 to both sides to be left with only x's on the left. You get 0.5x, which is 5.1. Divide both sides by 0.5, which is, division by 0.5 is like multiplying by 2, and your answer is x, which is 10.2. Example 4. You have 3/10x plus 7/15x minus 11 times the quantity 1 minus x, which is 1/5 x. You like fractions? Most people don't. So let's get rid of fractions. What's the least common denominator? 30. Multiply the entire left by 30. Distribute. Multiply the entire right by 30. You get 30/10, which is 3. 30/15, which is 2. 30/30 is 1. 30/5 is 6. That gives you 9x plus 14x minus 11, which you distribute over the 1 minus x, which is 6x. Or you have 9x plus 14x minus 11 plus 11x, which is 6x. Combine like terms, you get 34x. Subtract 34x from both sides, the x's drop out on the left. You're just left with constants on the left. On the right, you get -28x. Divide by -28, and you get x, which is 11/28.